In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send entire folders via Gmail. It's a simple yet incredibly useful skill that can enhance your productivity, especially when sharing multiple files with colleagues, friends, or family. So, let's get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Google Drive is an essential tool that integrates seamlessly with Gmail, making it an excellent platform for managing and sharing your files. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look towards the top left corner where you will see a button labeled New. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides various options, including creating new folders and uploading files or folders from your device. For this task, you'll want to click on Folder Upload from the drop-down menu. This action will prompt a window to appear, allowing you to browse your computer for the folder you wish to upload. Once you've located your desired folder, select it and click Upload. Depending on the size of the folder and the number of files within it, this process might take some time, so patience is key. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the folder listed among your other files and folders on Google Drive. Now that your folder is uploaded to Google Drive, we're ready to send it via Gmail. Open a new tab in your browser and head over to Gmail. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged into Gmail, click on the Compose button located at the upper left corner of the screen to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, and don't forget to give your email an appropriate subject line, along with any message you might want to include in the body of the email. To attach your folder, you'll need to click the Google Drive icon located at the bottom of the Compose window. This icon looks like a small triangular shape. A new window will pop up, displaying the contents of your Google Drive. Locate the folder you uploaded earlier. You can use the search bar to find it quickly. Select the folder by clicking on it, then press the Insert button at the bottom right. Now, your folder is attached as a Google Drive link in the email. The recipient will be able to access the folder by clicking on the link, provided they have the proper permissions. To ensure this, check the sharing settings by right-clicking the folder back in Google Drive, selecting Share, and adjusting the permissions as needed. Once you've confirmed everything is set, hit Send, and your email is on its way. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send an entire folder via Gmail using Google Drive. This method is incredibly efficient and will streamline your file sharing process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.